Model, 70-plate Citroen Relay Boxer 35 Hvy L4h2 Ent Bhdi IS's X long wheelbase, long MOT, great mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 114,824. MOT, the 25th of September 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, cruise control, sat-nav, air-con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.